Hello student, I welcome you all in the online class of GK. Today we will study chapter 5 or topic number 5, how ants locate sweets. So all of you open page number 8 in your GK book. See, the ants have two hair-like structure on their head known as antenna. These help the ants to locate the sweets. Okay? Ants have two hair-like structure on their head which are known as antenna, and these antenna help the ants to locate the sweet. See, no matter where you hide, conceal or store the sweet ware, ants find their way to the hidden treasure of sweets. You can hide sweet anywhere where you wish to hide, but ants find their way to the sweets. Do you know the reason behind this? The tiny ants have unerring ability to unearth your favorite chocolates. Unerring means always right or accurate. Means ants have ability to know the right place where sweets are hidden. Unearth means find something in the ground by digging. Okay? Even if they are stored in a packet, they are so smart that even the sweets are in packet, then they also can reach to the sweets. Okay? As I told you, the ants have two hair-like structure on their head. See, these two hair-like structure on the top of the head here, known as antenna. These two hair-like antenna help them to sense the smell of the sweet. There are sensory cells present in the antenna which receive the smell of the sweets present in the air. In the antenna, sensory cells are present which help the ant to locate the right place where sweets are hidden or kept. They point towards the origin of the smell. Their antenna always points towards the origin of the smell, from where the smell is coming. Okay? So you know how helpful their antenna for them. Now I will tell you some more facts about the ants. Okay? Ants are social insects that live in colonies, being some of the most successful insects. As we have our colonies, our society, ants also have their society. They are social insects. Okay? Ant colonies include one or more queens. In their colonies, there may be either one queen or more than one queen. Okay? Workers, eggs, larvae, pupae, etc. The worker ants maintain their developed structures known as nest. You must have seen nest of the ants on the earth. Okay, their area where they live is known as nest. An ant can lift 20 times its own body weight. They have such a great ability that more than 20 times of its weight it can lift. Make sure to keep your sweets tightly closed, otherwise the ant's sensory cells will surely detect the delicious scent. Okay, you must have seen in your house that anywhere where you have kept sweet chocolate cake, ants reach there. Anyhow they reach there. Okay, ants do not have lungs. Oxygen enters through tiny holes all over the body and carbon dioxide leaves through the same holes. Ants have tiny holes on their body which help them to get oxygen, and they also exhale carbon dioxide from the same holes. Okay. So, dear children, today we learned that ants are social insects. They live in colonies and there are either one queen or more than one queen. And workers are also there which look after the nest. Ants have two hair-like structure on their head are known as antenna. They have sensory cells in these antenna which help them to detect the smell of the sweet. Okay, and on the body of the ants they have tiny holes which help them to get oxygen and to exhale carbon dioxide. So, student, revise the lesson carefully. Thank you.